Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. SuperSport 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by the chairman of the People's Branch. Bro.
It's Chivo. How is it, my brother?
I'm good, my brother.
First and foremost, what can I say? A very sad day to South African top flight football as we commemorate a decade for passing of late Senzo Muyiwa.
Yes.
May his soul continue to rest in peace. We have lost a legend. We have lost a gold in him. Yeah, we just wish that those who were responsible for his killing can be sentenced. Stivo, what a day. We are back at the city of Polokwane at Limpopo.
Yes.
A very good game we have witnessed today. Unfortunately, the result were not on our side, but I'm just happy about how the team played. The fighting spirit within the team. It's just that we left it till too late to fight back. But I'm very happy about the progress which we have made as the team.
Yeah.
But before we can go further, I just want to address something. The deputy president of Masa. Remember, I'm the only one who can address him or call him to order. He is.
Yes.
I have heard what I don't know. You are also decorating it. You call it a PhD analysis.
Yes.
What I've heard during the week is saying that Kaizer Chiefs will not win anything because they over celebrate.
Yes.
That was not a PhD analysis. That was a higher certificate analysis from a fly-by-night college.
Yes.
Who is trying to tell us how to celebrate or not to celebrate? He should be sick in the head and mad in the stomach.
Yes.
For telling us so. But what do you expect from a Carling Black Label Cup reject? we understand that it was not him talking, but it was pain talking on his behalf. Pain took over on that day. But Steve, we are just happy about the progress which we have seen. We expected the team to win. Also, taking into consideration how we played SuperSport in the very same venue. But it was not our day, and I'm just happy for Gavin Hunt losing 4-0 against Kaizer Chiefs, coming to lose 2-0 against Orlando Pirates. That's conceding 6 goals in 2 games. Imagine if you have lost this game. We needed to win the game more than the way he needed to win the game.
Yes.
Because remember, this is our second consecutive lose in the league, if I'm not mistaken.
True.
But as I've said, it is not over until the third lady sing. It is still early. It is not yet time to press a panic button.
Yes.
Yes, Thibaut.
Did you have a man of the match?
Look, if I am to talk about a man of the match, I was not really into the game. I was babysitting Wawa. She's been in Venda for far too long. I've been busy with her bonding. But look, the combination of Do or Die and Obrigado,
yes.
They displayed what I can call a man of the match performance together. They just fit like a glove. In Shitsonga, the way they were playing. Look, it's like they are twins. Do you understand?
Okay.
Identical. They played very well. Look, everyone in the team, they are raising their hand. Everyone, be it a substitute or you are starting in the lining up, those guys, they are giving their all. It shows that Nabi is not just cooking, but he is a father to these players.
Yes, my brother.
Yes.
What's going to happen between you and Sundowns?
I saw that coming. What I can say, I don't want to say much, but I just want to say to Coach Steve Komphela, I saw him, he was here watching the game. I was there. I just want to say to Steve Komphela that Coach Johnny English, Pakama,
yes.
What we are going to do at FNB Stadium on the 2nd of November,
Yes.
we are going to restructure the technical team of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
I don't see Mangoba Mniti returning after this.
Oh.
Believe me, you, after what we are going to do to them, remember this guy will have been kicked out of the MTN 8.
Yes.
Now calling Black Label.
Yes.
Look, he is not coming back. So I'm just saying that Steve Komphela must get ready. His turn is coming. His turn is coming, Steve.
It's time for him.
No, it's time for him. I don't see.
Mangoba batlomisa guy.
Oh, well, no, they reshuffle these guys. They reshuffle. It's just going to be there. It's just going to be. And another thing which I'm not happy, if you can check as Chibo, our match, the Kaizer Chiefs match against Royal AM on the 9th of November,
Yes.
has been moved to the 30th of October because PSL understand that on the 9th of November, Kaizer Chiefs will be playing a semi-final of the Carling Black Label Cup. Remember, I've told you that we are just waiting in the final for any team which is going to play us.
Yes.
Us playing against Mamelodi Sundowns, we are just honoring the fixture because we don't want to be fined. Do you understand?
Yes.
So what I can say is that, and this thing, I was talking about this thing of them postponing the match. We are not happy about it because according to the depth we have and the technical team which we have, it is quite all right. It also suits us to play 3 games in one game.
Yeah.
We can play one in the morning,
Yeah.
one in the afternoon,
Yeah.
one in the evening,
Yes.
one at Peter Mugaba, one at FNB,
Okay.
one at Moses. Most we can fly. It's not like we have got a phobia of flights, Tibo.
Na fly.
Oh, we can fly. Flights, yeah.
Makosa wa batle abongile Tom to officiate that one. Do you also agree?
As Chibo, as I've said, Kaizer Chiefs is going to win this Carling Black Label. The only thing which is going to stop us from winning this Carling Black Label is the match official. We are not afraid of Mamelodi Sundowns, but we are afraid of the match officials.
Yes.
No, look, Mamelodi Sundowns, they are unpredictable. If they like, they can sign the lethal striker of Orlando Pirates by the name of Abongile Tom.
Oh.
They can bring their lethal striker as well by the name of Jelly Chabani.
Oh.
They've got a lot. They've got a lot.
Leno da Jelly.
Brown envelope is loading now.
Yeah, but as we are speaking, I'm sure even after the draw, some teams they were busy trying to call the match officials. But that's what I can say. No weapon formed against us in that game that shall prosper. We are going to win that game's table. Also, we are back. We are back. We will be here at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium on Wednesday. We are going to show Orlando Pirates on how to beat Magezi FC.
Oh.
They must watch with eyes wide open. Yeah, we are going to teach them on how to defeat Magezi FC.
Thank you.
Thanks, Steven.
Sundown supporters. I get it. They said, "What are we doing here?"
Oh, okay, the comic. No, they said, what were you doing? Look, Chibo, this thing of them always putting Mamelodi Sundowns or their so-called small games in the same sentence with big games like that of Kaizer Chiefs, it is uncalled for and it is thoroughly out of order and they must be called to order. Look, there was no way you can go and watch and interview 24 fans while there are thousands and thousands of fans here. Look, they must understand that we are the government of South African football. You have to go where there is sold out. I won't be surprised even if this interview is sold out on YouTube.
Yes.
Because I've seen the other interview of the past weekend. It was sold out,
yes,
approaching 100,000 viewers.
Yes.
So even this interview, I'm expecting it to be sold out.
Yes.
Yes.
Just to add that on the president, I think he said that, I mean, the Komikana,
also, he also answered himself, because at some point he called Sundown supporters to order to say, start supporting this team. Steve, we cannot support you, or we cannot like you more than you like yourself. Sundown supporters, I'm the only one, I don't care. Sundown supporters, they don't take themselves seriously.
Yeah.
We are talking about a team that has been winning 7 years in a row.
Yes.
And each time we tell them that you don't support your team, let me tell you, we can never ask Sundown supporters to support their team if they didn't have supporters.
Yes.
We can never ask you money that you don't have.
Yes.
Sundowns has got a lot of supporters, many supporters.
Yeah.
They are more supported on social media than on the actual support.
Oh.
Sundown supporters need to support their own team, unless if they are buying this league. Otherwise, then they should get out of the league. They should move out of the league. No, Sundowns don't support their team. Honestly.
No, it's by 24.
Yeah, so that's an honest.
That's
57.
Let me tell you something. No, there might be 57, but they attend the matches, 24 of them. Let me tell you something. Mamelodi Sundowns supporters are the enemy of their own. They are their own enemies. Do you understand? No, they are their own enemies. These people. Do you understand? Yes, Chivo.